We're here at Liberty Packing. Behind me is our newest addition to our dice line. This should give us about a 55% increase on conventional dice production with a 200% increase on organic production.
This project is very interesting because it's something that has been designed from the ground up, utilizing existing proven technology and enhancing that efficiency.
This line will provide the diversity to run multiple products at multiple times. This is our third dice line, and it gives us the capability to produce many different products. It's a standalone system. It's completely isolated from the rest of the plant.
The great part about this project, and one of the most exciting parts for me, is being able to take a concept and make it into reality. Working with the very talented people here at Morningstar, utilizing all of those years of experience that they have and putting something together from the ground up. We know what works and what doesn't work when it comes to operation, maintenance, safety, and sanitation. So learning what we have from our existing systems and applying it to this new system, we're able to have a very efficient system, not just in operation, maintenance, but also cleaning as well.
When we designed this system, we started discussing it in early January, and we put this whole thing together in approximately 6 months. It was a lot of work, but the way Liberty is self-managed, we were able to bring the right people together to get this thing put together for our 2020 season.
Self-management is what makes Morningstar one of a kind. We work as equals and make decisions based on areas of expertise. When I started here at Morningstar, it was truly an eye-opener experience for me. Chris has this philosophy that he carries through his life and his companies as well. He believes that if you let people do what they are good at, that they will respond doing exactly that.
We had many challenges when installing this line, obviously with COVID, a huge challenge with labor, with equipment suppliers, both domestic and international. Fortunately, we were able to come together and get everything in a timely manner and being able to run for the 2020 season.
I've been with Morningstar Packing for 30 years. I've seen a lot of growth and change. This is by far one of our very complex projects. It's taken a lot to put it together.
A project of this magnitude, it comes from the contributions of many people. We're talking hundreds of people that were involved in making this industrial line a success. A lot of contractors, a lot of colleagues, a lot of transportation companies, vendors, domestic and international vendors all came together to help us achieve our mission. The reason why we do what we do at Morningstar, continuing to innovate, striving for efficiency, striving for perfection, is to bring value to the customer. That is why we do what we do.